Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of unknown error occurred on Tinder app. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of unknown error occurred on Tinder app, you should just go to settings. In the first, you can go to Tinder. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that, you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can go to Play Store. You can search about Tinder. You can go to Play Store and you can search about Tinder here. And then you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.